we have seen what is going on. We have seen the corruption in this country. If we keep quiet, it's like we are endorsing it. If we do nothing, it's like endorsing it and let people suffer. We have seen very sick people who can't get health care. We have seen, I mean, our young people not in school when they are supposed to be in school. The teachers should not be striking for government to pay them. The government has an obligation to pay them. It's a question of planning. It's a question of stopping wastage. It's a question of stopping the looting of the public resources so that you direct the resources to where they are supposed to be. So that our children can be in school. Those of us, when we get sick, we go to hospital and we get medication and treatment from the leaders. I promise the Kenyan people that if you give me the opportunity, I will ensure that justice is done to the people of Kenya. I am not going to steal from the people of Kenya. I have not taken a bribe in my life. I can't take a bribe when I have retired. Trust me, I will take care of the resources for the good of this nation. Thank you.